Hi, it's me again. I got my hair, but yeah, I was so embarrassed about how long it took me to pick the habo 40250. So same pick, same turning tool, and let's see if we can just, you know, rake it with this. I don't know, this is broken pick, so yeah, let's just jam it in there, and yeah, let's try that again. And it's open again. Let's try that again. Yeah. So stay away from these habo locks. They are not good locks. So yeah. Bye. Hit the like button if you like this video. Hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you really like this video. Bye.